Hey guys, we're going to show you off. Hello, this is Fancy. That's Fancy, our pig. Those are not hers. Oh, but that one is over there. Haha, gotcha. Here's a Piglet Cooney update. We've got these guys are about 2 months old. Eating well, as you can tell. And then that one behind you is 1 month old, which is Fancy's child over there, Piglet. And then here's the other mama. Hi, mama. We call her Big Mama because we run out of names sometimes when you have so many pigs. And let's see. We've got some other babies over here that are gonna just hide out. Oh, and then now they're telling me that they're hungry. Hi, guys. What's going on? Then we have the one with the black and white. We decided to name it Pig in Boots. Thanks to my brother's cute name. Oh, hello. Oh, they like pink sandals. Ah! I know. You want some pink sandal too? Hi, you're a friendly little guy. Yeah. Hi, Mama. Smelling me? Did I bring food? I did not. Sorry. Just pink sandals, apparently. All right, Piglet Cooney update. There you go.